Dear students, welcome to SJEC e-classes. Hello students, today we learn about squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. First I explain what are squares. When a number is multiplied by itself. When a number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained is called the square of that number. When a number is multiplied by itself, I repeat again and again, when a number is multiplied by itself means a number multiplied by itself. Example, 1 multiply 1 equals to 1, 2 multiply 2 equals to 4, 3 multiply 3 is equals to 9, 4 multiply 4 is equals to 16, and so on. These examples, a number multiplied by itself. 2 multiplied by 2 means a number multiplied by itself is called square. So these numbers, these products are the square of given these numbers. For example, 4 is the square of 2. The second definition is perfect square. What is perfect square? The squares of natural numbers are called perfect square. Squares of natural numbers are called perfect square. For example, square of 2 is 4, square of 9 is 81, and square of 13 is 169, and square of 15 is 225. Find how many digits in the squares of the following numbers. How can we find that how many numbers in the given number of the square? First, square of 12. Square of 12 means 144. There are how many digits? 1, 2 and 3. 3 digits. Square of 80. 6400. 4 digits. Square of 125. 15625. 5 digits. And square of 750. 562500. 6 digits. Here we see 12 has 2 digits and 80 has also 2 digits, but in square 12 has 3 digits and square of 80 4 digits. It means the number which has 2 digits, squares contain 3 or 4 digits. Similarly, the number 3 digits, square contains 5 or 6 digits. Means if anyone asking to you that how many digits of the given number, first you twice the number, means twice the digits of the number. 12 has 2 digits, so 2 multiplied 2 equals to 4. Similarly, 4 or 3 digits are in the 2 digit numbers of square. Now, how can we guess the given number is a perfect square or not? How can we find out the given number is a perfect square or not? Very simple. If the unit digit of a given number is 14569, 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9, and number has 00 at the end, or number has 00 at the end, the number is a perfect square. For example, square of 10 equals to 100. There is 00. The square of 11 equals to 121. 1. The square of 12 equals to 144. 4. The square of 15 is equals to 225. 5. The square of 6 is equals to 36. 6. The square of 7 is equals to 49. 9. So we see that 00, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 comes at the unit place. So these numbers are the squares of the given number. How can we find the square roots of the given number? We use two methods for the square root of the given numbers. First is factorization method and the second is division method. Factorization method is used to find the square roots of the perfect square numbers, and division method is used to each and every number. First, I explain how to find the square roots of the perfect square numbers. Find the square roots of given perfect square numbers. First example is 484. First of all, we factorize, find the prime factors of the given number, starting by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. And now 11, say 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11. The square root, this is the sign of square root. This is the sign of square root. So the square root of 484 is equals to, we write the prime factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. Now make the pairs of the numbers 2 and 11. Pick out the single number from the pairs. 11 2s are 22. Square root of 484 is 22. This is the square root of given number 484. Similarly, I explain some other examples. The second example is 900. First, find the prime factors of 900 starting from 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 to 5 is divided by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now 25 is divided by 5 times, and 5 1s are 5. Write the prime factors of the given number. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. Again I say that this given sign is the square root of the number. So square root of 900 is equals to, first pair the numbers and pick out from the square root. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Square root of 900 is 3 2 is 6, 5 is 30. The other example, number third. What is the square root of 5184? 5184. 5184. Again, first find the prime factors. 5184. All of you know how to find the prime factors. Starting from 2, because 2 is the first prime number. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry 12, 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27. And 3 3s are 9. At last 3 1s are 3. Now write the prime factors. Square root of 5184 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 times. Multiply 2 multiply 2 and 3 1 2 3 4 times 3 multiplied by itself. Now make the pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair and fifth pair. Take out the numbers from their pairs. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. The product is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 3 4s are 12. Carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 72. The square root of 5184 is 72. Now I explain whole of you how to find the square root of perfect square numbers. Now in this question I explain how to find the square roots of the rational number or if the numbers are in decimal. First 225 upon 289, it is very simple. First find the square root of 225. So please do the prime factorization of 225. It is divided by 3. 3 7s are 21, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15. Again by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15. And 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now find the square root of prime factors of 289. This is divided by directly 17. 17 1s are 17, 11 119, or 17 7s are 119. 17 1s are 17. Therefore, the square root of 225 upon 289 is equals to 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 upon 17 multiplied by 17 is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 upon 17. 5 3s are 15 upon 17 is the square root of 225 upon 289. Similarly, the second example, 169 upon 625. First we find the prime factors of 169. It divides by 13 directly. 13 1s are 13, 3 carry 39, 13 3s are 13 1s are 13. Now find the prime factors of 625. It divides by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry 12, 5 2s are 10, 2 25, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. And 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Therefore, the square root of 169 upon 625 is equals to 13 multiply 13 upon 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Pairing and pick out the pairs. 13 by 5 multiply 5 equals to 13 by 5 5s are 25. 13 upon 25 is the square root of 169 upon 625. Now the third example. First we change it into rational number. After decimal there are 4 digits, so we write 4 digits by 1. Now factorize, find the prime factors of 256. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 sixes are 12, 2 fours are 8, and 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12, 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2. Again we find the prime factors of 10,000. 2 fives are 10, then 2,500, then 1,250, then 2 sixes are 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 625. Now divide by 5, 125, 5, 25, 5 fives are, and 5 ones are. Therefore, the square root of 0.0256 equals to square root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again multiplied by 2 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 equals to, pairing the digits, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 is equals to 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 upon 2 twos are 4 fives are 20 and 25s are 100. Therefore, 16 divided by 100 equals to 0.16 is the square root of 0.0256.